Good afternoon, everybody. Tom McRae here from the golf shop at Laguna Woods, just with some little updates. What I can tell you, obviously, we all know about the same amount about the timing of things and when we're going to be able to get back to golf and so forth. But out on the golf course, hopefully a lot of you have been able to get out and take a nice walk around. We've seen a lot of people out there on the course today, and it was today and ever since we've been closed, and it's been really nice to be able to allow everybody to get out and walk around and see the golf course, because it is just spectacular right now. The rain that we had, the work that we've been doing on the golf course, it is absolutely spectacular. As far as that goes, the aerification of the tees are all done. The fairways have all been done, and they've pretty much healed and cleaned up already. Sean Sincata and his group, now that the rains are over, have started to aerify all the greens. They'll be able to do that a lot faster now. Now that they don't have to open up 18 holes a day. They're going to go through and they're going to do all of them. So when we do get past this, whenever that's going to be, we should be in great shape with no interruptions for greens aerification. So the golf course is in great shape. Again, we enjoy that you guys can walk. We just a few things that we've seen when we're out there that we'd like to kind of avoid. There was somebody feeding the geese out on the course. If you know somebody that's doing that, please. There's not much we can do about controlling their coming in. They love the poa seed from the sprouting poa annua that you see growing up around the roughs. That's what they're eating. But we don't need to encourage them to be here anymore, because has everybody ever stepped in a pile of goose, we just assume not encourage them to be around the golf course. So don't do that. And if you are driving your cart, we do ask that you stay on the perimeter path. The challenge really is that a lot of folks that are out there in their carts are not doing what they're supposed to do, and they're driving around on the golf course and not giving it the rest that we should be taking advantage of right now. So if you do want to be on the golf course, you're more than welcome. Please walk along the paths. If you want to walk on the fairways and the roughs, that's okay. We prefer you don't run your dog on the fairways, but if you want to walk your dog, as long as you remove any waste that you bring that it creates while it's out there, that's fine. And please stay off the putting surfaces. I've noticed some people that are walking that I don't think are golfers, and I've seen them walking straight across the middle of the putting greens. But overall, like Joel said, and if you haven't seen it yet, Joel said the same thing. We appreciate how everybody's been out there. We really thought that there was going to be more issues with people playing on the golf course while it's been closed, and it's been really nice so far. People have been staying home. People have been staying apart when they've been out on the golf course. So hopefully, we're doing our part to try to speed past all of this. And also check your emails. I will be sending some of the manufacturers are sending out some promotions. Obviously, you have no golf. You're not losing golf balls. You're not buying golf balls. So they're not selling golf balls. So it's a crazy circle of things. So they've actually got some decent promotions that I'll send out to you guys. Since we're not open for business, we're going to have you deal directly with them, and it's just a nice opportunity for you guys to enjoy some discounts and stock up on some balls for when we are open. And once we do that, we obviously, once we do get past this, whenever that's going to be, I'm really not sure exactly when that's going to be, as nobody really does. There are going to be some guidelines that I will send out beforehand. The tee time system will change. We're finalizing the details, talking with some people, talking with some of the staff members about how we obtain tee times and so forth. So that should be forthcoming in the next week or so. So we can get that out so everybody can be ready once we are able to open. Because once we are going to be able to open, obviously we're going to have to plan ahead. We're going to have to get everything set back up again. And we're going to have to get word out to when people can start making reservations so we can start populating the tee sheet. So all I can say is hang in there, stay active. Joel and I will send some tips for some things that you can do. 30 minutes a day, have that be your goal. 30 minutes a day of some activity, something to get your heart rate up a little bit, something to get your muscles working just a little bit. I know, binge watching things on Netflix, wherever the case may be, is only going to be so good for you. So if you are doing that, which is fine. I admit I've done that a bit myself right now. But if you are doing that, then please, make sure you stand up every 45 minutes or so. Just get up, walk around, not necessarily to the refrigerator to get another beer, although that's probably okay too. But just, and try to get out there and stay active. So when we do open up, you are ready to go when you get there. Some of the tips that we'll provide, just make sure that you talk to your doctor about what you can and what you can't do. As we are not physicians, we don't know everybody's physical capabilities or what your limitations might be. But these are some things that we'll send out to you that are good to practice just to stay sharp. And if there's anything that you need, I think everybody has my email address. You know how to get a hold of me. And just send me a note. Any questions, any concerns, be more than happy to get an answer to you straight away. Be safe, be healthy, and we hope to see you very soon.